Citizens make a good country and teachers mold a student to be a good citizen. So a great deal depends on them. Average child spends almost 20 years in learning during various phases of his childhood till precious treasure. A lawyer's mistake is lost in the records. The quality talent becomes far more important. Since the formative age of children at the primary and middle level is crucial in achieving our country's success. Teaching is the mother of all professions. Teachers' Day reminds us of all the responsibilities and commitments towards shaping the future generation in taking up still higher challenges and making our country an advanced and developed.
University His work experience is worked for last 35
As Azad mentioned that career guidance is one of our activity, I'll continue to guide students through Lions Club of Bicholi, do social work, and I'll devote my time at your...
Whenever any student passes out, we tell him, Satyam Vacha Dharmam Chalo. What we do is, the advice which is to be given to the student is, be truthful and follow the religion, and our religion is to study. And the second advice which is usually given is Satyam Bruyat Priyam Bruyat Asatyam Apriyam Nabruyat. Meaning, talk truthful, talk good, Asatyam, what is false don't talk, and Apriya, people who will not like such type of abusive language, don't use. These are the advices which are given to the student by the teachers. And whenever, usually we say, teacher shapes students, he makes him what it is. But in today's generation, I had a friend who ultimately became general manager of Canara Bank. Nowadays, knowledge is at a fingertip. The moment I say something, somebody will be sitting at the back, will go to the room.